And take note, this is unlimited.
Oh.
Alright, so again guys, once again, thank you so much po for being with us in this video, and thank you so much Q Unlimited for inviting us. Grabe, solid na naman yung spread natin for today.
Yes, napakadami nating option from chicken, barbecue, and pork belly.
So I can see some burgers, meron tayong mga fried chicken, we also have baby back ribs, sausage, roasted chicken. So pagkatapos nyo kung kumain ng mga main entree, mga heavy meat, maganda dyan, meron tayong cakes. And at the same time, they also have like smoothies and coffees, mga refreshment na.
The pork belly, which is melts in your mouth, di ba?
That's why we call it Q, no? It's a barbecue yung mga products namin, no? Pero may meaning na rin yung Q namin, yung QUE, which is yung quality of the product, okay? Uniqueness of the product, and excellence of the taste. But not only the product itself, no? But also the people. Kung yung mga tao natin, mga customers natin, no? Babalik at babalik sila because of the quality of the people, the uniqueness of the people, and the excellent service of the people. Of course, meron kayong mga unlimited products, no? Yung unlimited products of yung may mga set meals kami, no?
Speaking of unlimited,
Grabe.
if you want to have an unlimited fried chicken with side dishes, that is only for 329 pesos. At the same time, meron ka iba't ibang klase lang, mga sauces.
Just to mention them, meron tayong honey sriracha, classic hickory, sweet and spicy, honey mustard, what's that? Tonkatsu, spicy buffalo.
And garlic. If you want to upgrade naman to have some chicken and ako na lang pork belly, that's only for 589 pesos. So meron na siya kasama pork belly, chicken, side dishes, pasta, vegetable, and yung kanilang soup of the day. And kung gusto naman talaga mas sulit na sulit, yung kanilang ultimate feast for only 739 pesos. And kung ano mostly yung nakikita nyo, yun na yun. Except syempre yung kanilang burger. Yes, meron ka ng pork ribs, yung kanilang pork belly, meron ka ng fried chicken, meron ka ng mga grilled chicken, yung kanilang mga sides,
Yes.
and syempre unlimited iced tea.
This is the ultimate heaven for those who are meat lovers. I think the place can accommodate around 80 to 90 people.
And take note, di mo nakaproblema ang parking. Napakalaking parking.
Yeah, alright. So what are we waiting for? Let's feast.
Let's feast.
Let's feast. I think.
Test kung gaano kalambot yung kanilang pork belly. Test. Kaya na. Ano pa lang, napakalambot. Solid. Napakalambot. Solid na lamot. Ito kasi sinasabi ng melt in your mouth barbecue.
So I'm gonna get their ultimate barbecue. Look at this, ang laki, guys. So imagine having this unlimited as soon, as many as you can. Gusto ko, tikman natin lahat yung mga sauce nila. So this is my take for the sweet and spicy. Look at that, it's so big. Look at that.
Let's put some chocolates. Magluluto tayo ngayon. Okay, I think this is good. taste it.
So we're inviting our customers, no, and our future customers, no, to experience the Q Unlimited American barbecue. Hindi kayo magsasawa at babalik-balikan nyo, no?
And nga guys, to end our all-meat
Feast.
all-meat feast, ayan guys, so we have our desserts on our table. Ano ba yung sa inyo is nag-stand out sa mga...
Actually, ako, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko doon, syempre kanilang pork belly.
Yes.
Yung pork belly na napakalambot.
Yes.
Yun yung nagustuhan.
Wow.
The baby back ribs and the pork belly, lalo na yung hickory sauce.
Hickory sauce.
Yeah.
It is a must try, no? I think for those who haven't been here, na talagang mahilig sa mga meat,
Barbecue.
This is a place that they are missing.
Imagine for only 739 pesos. Eh, talaga matitikman mo na lahat yung mga ina-offer nila.
Guys, kung ano yung nasa table namin kanina, you can actually enjoy all of them unlimited until you drop. Okay, so we're gonna enjoy this, guys, and business information, bro.
Yeah, so if you want to enjoy yung kanilang unlimited feast, they are located dito lang sa El Plaza, Lagundi, Mexico, Pampanga. Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya ay malapit siya sa SM City, Pampanga, just in between ng Wilcon and McDonald's, Mexico.
Yeah. And to those who are, syempre, meron naman tayo dito, they have just small appetite. So they also have a la carte, mga small or side dishes that you can enjoy aside from the unlimited that they have.
And they are open from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday. So there you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, and of course, we hope to see you here at Q Unlimited.
Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Uy, grabe, gusto ko to.